I'm here at University of Texas El Paso. Trying to look for a place to sit down and do some work on a computer or something. Relax a little. Hopefully I can find a building that's open with a restroom still. So let's see, like there's a nice place right there. Somewhere you can sit down with the dog somewhere. Very nice out here. I think I'm moving too quick. Let me see. Sorry, Jonah's pulling me. Oh, it's a nice little walking path. That looks neat. Oh. I thought this was neat. This path starts looking like the natural dirt they have around here. With the rock. And just turns back to Scenic. I guess it's like a theme of theirs. They have like, it's like the natural ground. This is what it looked like when I was driving out there. Red sands. Some of the harder sand looks just like that. I don't know what it's called. Comment below if you know what it's called. Bring my dog to universities all over the state, all over the country actually.